I think one analogy that can really help understand kind of what aromics is trying to do is Photoshop. Everybody's familiar with Photoshop. It's basically a tool that people use to take a picture and then do either slight or major modifications to it to reveal something completely new. And that's really, I think, where we're trying to go, is we want to be kind of the Photoshop, but for smell and taste. And the way that we're going about it is we want to be able to, to get there, we need to have a database of basically what are all the possible ingredients that somebody would want to use, what are all of the receptors that are activated by those ingredients. And then once we have that, we'll be able to, just like in Photoshop, you could say, okay, add a little bit more yellow color or blue color. We should be able to tell the companies that we work with, oh, you should add a little bit more of this ingredient or that ingredient, which I think would be very powerful for them.